Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by satisfying legal and ethical prerequisites, obtain explicit written consent, and verify local laws so you avoid harm. Once done, pick datasets that are licensed for reuse or generate fully synthetic faces to practice safely. Make sure your Colab environment uses disposable accounts and does not expose private keys or personal data. This first phase prevents misuse and sets boundaries. You're preparing responsibly, so the rest of your learning focuses on technique, not loopholes. Next, build a safe workflow that teaches the how without harming people. Study model architecture, training basics, and evaluation metrics using anonymized or synthetic datasets. Once you understand hyperparameters and checkpoints conceptually, practice reproducible experiments in separate Colab notebooks with version control. Make sure to isolate computation from any personal data and to document every step so you can audit results later. This approach deepens skills while minimizing ethical risks and makes troubleshooting. To finish responsibly, validate your outputs using detection tools and invite peer review before any sharing. If you ever publish or demonstrate results, clearly label synthetic media and limit distribution to consented channels. Make sure to retain training logs and provenance so you can explain how outputs were generated. If things go wrong, the key troubleshooting tip is simple. Inspect data provenance first and watch for overfitting or dataset leakage, because most harmful or poor results trace back to the training data.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.